Hey guys, I'm very excited to announce the new feature on TradeIV app. That is the alert feature. So with this feature, you're able to quickly get an alert whenever the price of a specific stock is above or below the price that you set for. So there are two ways to add alerts to the app. One is when you click on this alerts button here, you see a list of stocks that you may be interested in. So let's say I'm interested in NVIDIA stocks. So if I type in NVDA, and then if I click on this icon here, it will allow me to get the price, the current price of the stock. So this works for after hours as well. So I want the app to alert me when NVIDIA is, let's say, less than 230, right? Which is currently true right now. So I want to show you what happens when the alert triggers. So after that, you click on save. As you can see, immediately you get an alert that NVIDIA is less than 230, which is true. So when this happens, you will always see this prompt down here until you dismiss it. So you'll never miss your alerts again. So click on that and then you click on close. Now, this is one way to do it. The other way to add an alert is, let's say like Palantir. So I click on this. There's this button here where you can add alerts to this stock. So once you click on it, immediately you get a stock price over here. So here you can pick when like you want it to alert you when it's more than a certain price or less than a certain price. So yeah, again, I want to see if this works. Let's say I want it to alert me when Palantir is less than 27, which is true right now. So if I click on save, immediately you get an alert that Palantir is less than $27. So this is what we've been working on. It's a very simple, intuitive interface because we were so fed up with all the other apps and their alerts. They were badly implemented, but I think this is a great UI for us. So here you can actually edit your existing alerts if you want to, or remove them completely if you want. So it's very, very simple UI and very, very simple to use. Please, guys, check it out, and I would like to know what you think about this feature. Please let us know on Twitter or on Discord. Let us know. Please check it out at TradeIV.com. That's TradeIV.com. It's completely free, this app. You can just go in there and sign in with your Google account and you'll be able to set up your own watch list. Check out all of these widgets. We got sentiment widgets as well, some analysis. So yeah, we just added alerts. So definitely check it out and let us know what you think. Thanks.